Here's looking at the Super 8 Hotel in Pendleton, Oregon. What a sunset. Here's the lobby area with the eating area to get those free breakfasts. Sherry's, which is just down the street, has been shut down now. In the 20 some odd years that I've been staying in Pendleton, I've never managed to eat there. That sunset. I stayed in room 208. Here's the hallway. And this is the view from that hallway window. Let's take a look at the room. The bed was pretty comfortable. Nice artwork. Another view of the room. Refrigerator. There's a surprise inside. It was cold, but look at this. Right there, 5 Coors Lights. Bonus! Oh, and the freezer was cold too. Microwave, some drawers, my legs. There was the desk. This lamp didn't work. I couldn't figure out why until I saw this wire dangling right there. I don't know what kind of jerry-rigging this is, but they ought to look into that. This worked. The cuck chair. And here's the view from the room of Motel 6. This is an odd area for the hangers and ironing board. Here's another view of the room. There was extra outlets, at least. That bed, it was pretty comfortable. I liked it. Here's the bathroom area. It was clean, which is good for this price point. Okay, water pressure for the sink. It was kind of broken though, kind of a noisy faucet. It's like shifting gears in a 74 Volkswagen Beetle. Toilet. That sink area. There's a hair dryer if you have hair. Ice bucket, cups. Free stuff. There's that toilet. Let's put it to the test. Okay, it's flushing. It's going down. Bonus! Oh, and it was clean too. Shower and tub area. Bathtub. It was in okay shape. Let's test that water pressure. Not very good. Towels are available for this pool area. One bad thing about being on the west side of the building was Motel 6's lights blaring in through the windows. I like to have my blinds open so I can wake up with daylight. Oh, and then there was this cigarette butt burn out on the blanket. I would have replaced those blankets if they get a hole that big in it. Well, that's it for my review of the Super 8 Hotel in Pendleton. It's a good, clean place. I would recommend it. The price point is low. There isn't a lot of riffraff in the area, but there isn't a lot to do in that area also. But downtown Pendleton is only about 5 minutes downhill. Which is where we're going right now. Although in this case, I'm going to turn right and start heading towards Walla Walla, Washington, and then parts beyond there. So to wrap it up, please like the video if you liked it, comment if you have any comments, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Until next time, cheers!